Being the director of marketing for a franchise organization is not an easy job. Each franchisee has different challenges, such as new versus mature locations, successful versus struggling, urbans versus suburban, and differing opinions on discounting. Every month, planning the upcoming email blast promotional messages is a challenge. Have you heard these complaints from your franchisees? I hate discounts. Don't include me in your blasts. New competition is killing me. I need aggressive offers to fight back. My lunch business is great. Why are we running a lunch offer? Minimum wage is going up to $15 an hour in my area. You're killing me at that price point. Inevitably, a one-size-fits-all email with an average offer to appease everyone is sent, but no one seems to be happy with it. There is a solution to target offers with different price points, and That's Biz can help you get there. Here's how it works in 4 steps. Decide what you want to feature and promote. Provide the franchisees with price point options to choose from. Segment your email list based on the promotional offers selected. Email location-specific, trackable coupon offers based on the franchisee's selections. That's Biz provides the coupons that you'll need to track in-store redemptions and the revenue impact by location. If you email 3 offers, you'll only need 3 coupons for your blast, and yet every coupon includes the location address, phone number, and online ordering link for that location. That's Biz will work as part of your team. You decide where That's Biz can add the most value. Maybe it's prepping the creative, segmenting your list, or just providing the coupon. Now, you can promote what's important to your franchisees and track the results by promotion, by location. Work with That's Biz today.